What's up everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be installing our Maxxair fan. This thing's going to help us stay cool when it's hot. It should be a pretty easy install. Hopefully this goes as smooth as pie. Let's go. Looks like the plastic did its job. Hello! We're so excited to be installing this Maxxair vent fan from Vanlife Outfitters because we believe that this is a must-have for all tiny homes on wheels. The reason we think it's the most important is because it removes all the stagnant air that accumulates in a van. So we all know a car gets hot in the sun, but this bad boy helps pull in fresh air and pull out all the hot air. Moisture in a home can lead to mold and mildew accumulation, and you want to get that excess moisture out. And the fan does a great job of that, especially in super humid climates like here in North Carolina. So it's really nice to be able to pull that hot, moist air out and pull in cool, fresh air. And the third reason that we feel that the fan is important is when you're cooking, especially with a propane stove, it's nice to be able to vent that air. It's very important to have that ventilation when you're using a gas stove. It's not only safe for us, but also for our dogs. And one of the best features about the Maxxair vent fan is that it works in the rain. It doesn't need a rain sensor to turn off when it starts raining. It has this hood and cover, which allows it to work completely during any sort of downpour or drizzle. So if you're looking to get a vent fan for your rig, we highly recommend the Maxxair vent fan and getting it from Vanlife Outfitters. And they are the sponsor of today's video. We have used Vanlife Outfitters for most of our van build needs because they've just been in the game for such a long time and they sell all the top of the line products and their customer service is top notch. Head to the link in our description to check out the Vanlife Outfitters website where they sell all the pneumatic goodies from installations to full power systems. All right, let's get back to it. We need this thing installed tonight for our upcoming camping trip this weekend. Let's go. All right, well, it's in. It's dark now, but we did start at like 6:30 p.m. so it's like 8:30, so it took us about 2 hours, and it's in. We're gonna water test it another day once all this dries.
Woohoo!
Good work, we didn't fall off the roof. So all right, that's what it looks like from the inside. There's the frame, and then we'll build up that frame to match the rest of the framing.